Did you know that Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and Snoop Dogg all trust the same platform for their cryptocurrency transactions? Today, I'm introducing you to MoonPay, dubbed the PayPal of crypto. Hey there, it's Eva for MeemFi. We're living in an age where digital assets are becoming mainstream, and finding a trustworthy platform to buy and sell crypto is more important than ever. Welcome to the first of 6 videos where we'll explore MoonPay, one of the most groundbreaking solutions in the market. MoonPay is transforming how we interact with cryptocurrency through its innovative fintech platform. Think of it this way: buying crypto through MoonPay is as straightforward as ordering your favorite pizza online. The journey began with a crucial partnership with Bitcoin.com exchange. What started as a small dedicated team has evolved into something remarkable. Today, MoonPay handles an impressive range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Binance Coin, Litecoin, and many more. What sets MoonPay apart? It's simple: flexibility in payments. Whether you prefer PayPal, your regular credit or debit card, or traditional bank transfers, MoonPay has you covered. With support for multiple traditional currencies, it's truly a global platform. The platform really took off when it caught the attention of Hollywood. Major celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow, Justin Bieber, Ashton Kutcher, Paris Hilton, and Snoop Dogg aren't just users, they're active supporters. Their endorsement has helped build confidence in MoonPay among both seasoned traders and those new to cryptocurrency. In its latest development, MoonPay has launched a feature that lets websites and apps accept crypto payments, showing their dedication to making cryptocurrency more accessible across all economic sectors. I'm interested in hearing from you. What's your go-to method for buying crypto? Bank transfer, PayPal, or a credit card? Drop your experience in the comments below. Coming up next, we'll explore MoonPay's security features and discover why it's considered one of the most reliable platforms in the industry. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch part 2. See you there!